This is 41 Today on 41 NBC.
Instacart is using artificial intelligence to help with dinner, and the U.S. is aiming to cut China's access to American technology. Jen King's at the NASDAQ market site with those stories and more in today's Tech Report.
The U.S. looks to restrict China's access to cloud computing to protect advanced technology. The Biden administration proposal aims to close a loophole in chip export controls, and it could escalate the tit-for-tat fight with Beijing. Well, Instacart has officially launched its AI-powered search tool, ask-instacart. It speaks directly to meal prep fatigue shoppers looking for easy answers. When it comes to meals, it has a data catalog that spans over 1 billion shoppable items across 80,000 retail partners. And a federal judge in Louisiana has ordered key Biden administration officials and agencies not to contact social media platforms to suppress speakers and viewpoints they disagree with. The ruling came in a case filed by Louisiana and Missouri's attorneys general, who had claimed that the Biden administration was trying to silence views and speakers who questioned its COVID policies and the validity of the 2020 election. Well, China-founded online retailer Shine is looking to go public in the U.S. Reuters reports it's talking with banks and stock exchanges about a listing. However, some are against it trading on U.S. exchanges because they claim it makes clothes using forced labor in China. From the NASDAQ market site, I'm Jane King with your Tech Report.